Boom. What's up, people? I go by the name Wycky Mziki, Gwiji Origi, mini MC, mini entertainer, mini entrepreneur, mini artist. Unaweza cheki channel yangu pale YouTube na utapata kichwa kinagonga mia na mia, asili zikipanda mia kwa mia, mashida zinazidi kukaribia, moyoni kichwani wiki naumia, kichwa kinagonga mia na mia, asili zikipanda mia kwa mia. And also Buddha boss kamejipa, Buddha boss kamejipa, kamefunguka. Yap. And today I'm introducing something different. As time changes, also I have decided to change so that I can go with the time doing different hustles. You have heard me, must be an entrepreneur. So in this channel, I'll be teaching something different, something you never expected, because I'll be teaching you how to take care or how to do poultry farming. Right now, I have a project, a new project, around 1,200 birds, which started 2 days ago. Today is day 3. And I will be taking you through poultry farming and also other types of farming. We will learn about rabbit farming, cattle farming, pig farming, and extra farming. Yeah. So I'll be teaching you either on my farm, and also before the end of this month, I have a surprise episode on a different farm. So guys, like I have told you, in this farm, I have a new project of 1,200 and something birds. Today is day 3, and I can tell you guys it's amazing. With 3 days only, the birds are developing wings, feathers. They are doing amazing, excellent. They are active. They are feeding. Come, I'll show you inside. This is day 3. You can see our birds. They have started growing up. They are very active. Our birds are feeding very well. Super active. We have a bird which I think she was trying to drink water from here. So when this happens, you are supposed to take her somewhere she'll find warmth. Around the heat source is a bit warm. That's the only way you can help her. This is quite amazing. Beautiful, isn't it? Some are feeding. Others have decided to rest, like these ones over here. These ones. Wake up. Wake up. These are the birds, as you can see. Subscribe to the channel, recommend a friend. I told you, as more as you get watching these clips, as you get watching the content, as you keep subscribe to the channel, you will learn more about agriculture. You will learn new opportunities which come in agriculture, and maybe you can change your life. You never know. Learning never stops. Subscribe to the channel, recommend a friend, and share the content.